Round two. Round two, let's go. Round two. Again, round two. Round two, again. Second time. This is the second time.
Why does this always happen?
This has happened the second time. Second time. It has been Again this has happened.
Attention please. Attention please. The fire alarm has been activated. Westgate staff are investigating.
Oi Kim, it's going off again in here. Round two again. Mate. So what do you think about West Quay because of this? Second time.
And it's always when we're on that bloody keyboard as well.
Where? Where?
What?
Where?
Whenever we're on that keyboard, it's always happening.
Yeah, it's gone off again, literally, second time.
Every time I'm on that bloody keyboard.
I think they may just... Oh, it may be that they test it every Friday. No, Thursday at 6 o'clock.
Probably.
At least they're not too loud in here. There we go.